Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. There's a little bug on my screen on my window. Anyway, today is Sunday. When I'm filming this, I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset video. I have a handful of things in my kitchen I need to put away. I have a handful of chores that I need to do. I need to meal prep. So we're doing all the things. And my son just came home from his dad's house, so super happy about that. Super excited to love up on him, but I got some shorts on, a little workout top, and ready to break a sweat, do some chores, also do a really good workout today, and just hang out at home on this Sunday. It snowed. My backyard is a bit of a mess right now, but yeah, it snowed. I do need to put up a few more Christmas decorations, but I'm drinking my protein coffee. I just had my protein pancakes for breakfast. And I'm going to start with cleaning the upstairs and then doing a few things downstairs. So let's get started. So I had tons of stuff in my living room that I needed to sort out. I went through my closet and got rid of, I decluttered a lot of clothes that I wasn't going to wear, and I end up posting them on this auction site here that I have on Facebook, and it's so awesome because I do make my money back. And then obviously buy more clothes that I want to wear. But then I had a handful of other little things that I needed to put away and organize, and then it was time to do some laundry. Also, I wanted to say thank you to all y'all who voted for me uploading this video, even though it was filmed clearly last year. I really hope y'all enjoy it. Also, I wanted to say hi, welcome if you're new to my channel. I do run an in-home daycare, so this is a big area where I have the kids be able to play. I hold all the toys and things here, so it was definitely time for me to shampoo the carpet. I'll show you here in just a minute how the floor doesn't really look that bad, but I show you how gross it actually gets. So yeah, I'm going to hush now. I'm going to do the rest of the this video with music, so I hope y'all enjoy. And again, thank you so much for watching.
You on the dance floor. Can you meet me on the dance floor? Yeah, I see you on the dance floor. Can you meet me on the dance floor? 'Cause I wanna dance. 'Cause I wanna dance. I wanna dance. I wanna dance. I wanna dance. 'Cause I wanna dance. I wanna dance. I wanna dance. Can you meet me on the dance floor? I wanna dance. I wanna dance. I right on too. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at.
As you can see, it is pretty dark out. Been spending all day cleaning, but kids area looks so much better. And hey, Smokey. I cleaned the floor, cleaned that area, and obviously I always have stuff I gotta organize over there. Again, thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. I know this video should have been uploaded ages ago, but you know, sometimes I get behind on a few things. I do have a few other videos I filmed a few months back that I will be uploading, and I know y'all will enjoy. But after that, I will be all caught up and everything will be up to date. I'm so excited because I have so many amazing things to share with you guys. I hope you have a great day and be sure to subscribe.